gorgeous Huntrix girls are lighting up the stage.
Rumi, will you go to the ball with me?
Wow, of course.
Ladies, you're invited.
Can we go first? Ta-da! Ooh, what'd you get? A diamond! So cool! You're the best as always. Wow, everything here is so cute. And here's our first pack, ready for an unpacking. I can't wait. Snip, snip, snip. There's a bodysuit. Ta-da! It looks amazing on Rumi. Carefully place them on the top, securing with clear gel. Of course, it needs to cure under the lamp. And now, a life hack. Heat the material well with a hairdryer, and it becomes soft and flexible. And wow, luxurious silver boots! Taking off the old ones and putting on this beauty. Need to remove the tag. Putting the hair tie on the doll. I'll need scissors and hot glue. Cutting a piece. Applying and attaching the tulle along the edges. Ooh, now that's luxury. Attaching the train to the back of the skirt. Final touch, a bow. Gluing it on the back. Stunning! A sparkling necklace. And huge diamonds for the ears. Now just the makeup left. A chic braid charm. Maximum sparkle. The ultra shiny diamond look is ready. Jinu, come with me.
Cool!
I draw a pattern on silver jersey. Cut along the outline. Stitch it on the machine. The pants look great. Perfect. Next up is a jacket. It suits Jinu so well. Trendy sneakers to match. Subscribe and hit the bell if you like the Jinu's look. You look wonderful, Jinu.
Time to head to the ball.
Here's my cabin. This spot is so comfy.
Wow.
Love it. Sorry, we have a dress code. But I'm Mira from Huntrix. Doesn't matter. Already has a plan. Let's turn this heart into foil. We shape it along the doll's body to make a shimmering corset. I coat it with gel polish top coat and cover it with red glitter. Cure it with UV light. Perfect, the top is ready. Now the shorts. I sew them from bright stretch fabric. Attach the skirt pieces on both sides. It'll be super long and fluffy. I stitch both layers together. It turned into an amazing train. I decorate the top with a rhinestone chain. Recolor the gloves pink. I add gel polish to her shoulders and cover them with chunky glitter. Looks very fancy. A stunning hair clip goes on top. Mira's look is ready. Don't forget your ticket.
Wow.
What a stylish outfit. Come in.
Yay!
Take your seat.
Yes.
Much better. Wait, is that Mira from Huntrix?
Oh, wow.
I'm your fan. Please, can I get an autograph? Of course, I'd love to. Great, thank you. Let's take a selfie. Hey, I want one too.
Yes.
Oh, where did you come from?
Will you go live with me, please, please?
Sure.
Hi, followers. I'm here with the one and only Mira from Huntrix.
Hey, be careful.
I'm the coolest blogger ever.
Hey, maybe that's enough?
Oh.
The boy is totally out of control.
What?
He's climbing on her head already.
Look, mustache.
Get down from there.
Hey, you.
Just a couple more pics.
Let's get out of here.
This place is so cool.
Wow.
Please come in. You'll be getting brand new looks in just a moment.
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
A silver makeover.
Baby, you look like a real snowflake.
So cool. But we're in silver outfits too.
Sweetie, why didn't you change?
And baby's beret is still yellow. Let's fix that right now.
Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not working. Looks like my help is needed.
Wow.
I'll make a jacket, a skirt, and boots for Zoe.
Let's start with the skirt.
No problem. Let's get to work.
I can't wait.
Voila!
Hey, those are shorts.
Easy there. The skirt goes on top. I gather the ribbon into pleats. Secure them with glue. Look how pretty it turned out. All that's left is trimming the excess with scissors.
On to the next piece.
A jacket or boots.
The jacket.
Then let's prepare silver biflex fabric. Zoe helps cut the material. We use scissors for that. Place the piece against the doll's body. Glue the top closed at the back. Decorate it with silver ribbon and a rhinestone chain. Put star earrings in her ears and a stylish bracelet on her wrist. Time to refresh the manicure.
The look is almost ready.
All that's left is decorating the boots with little bows. Zoe can't wait to show her family.
Voila! How do I look?
Hey.
You look amazing.
Baby, what do you think?
Zoe, you shine like the moon.
Yeah.
Looks like BB likes it too.
We're about to take off.
Hey, you.
I'm scared of flying. Ah!
Oh no, what should we do?
Hide me!
Same as always. Mom, Dad's doing it again. We'll handle this right now. Honey, everything will be fine.
Hey.
He's here. You can take him back.
Please return to your seat. The flight is completely safe.
Yes.
Make yourselves comfortable.
Here's a soft little pillow for you.
And special safety belts. You can fully relax now.
So, not scary anymore. We're flying! We're flying!
Everyone get ready!
We're taking off.
And now we spin the wheel one last time. What style will Snake and Gary get? Diamond one.
Ah, yes!
We're ready for a makeover.
Then let's start.
Me first.
No, me!
I've got a huge diamond.
Whoa, it's massive. I want it. I want it.
Hey, that's not fair.
Ladies first.
Okay.
Yay! Where do we start?
First, let's break this big diamond into lots of little gems. We're going to decorate Snake's headpiece with rhinestones, gluing them on one by one with hot glue. Cover the whole head so it sparkles like a real diamond.
Fabulous.
Now take some white fabric, trace the pattern, and cut out 2 pieces. Sew them together, and we've got a one-shoulder top. We'll make the skirt the same way. Wow, so elegant! Let's add a shiny corset. Cut the pieces using the patterns, sew them, and try it on. Now it's time to decorate the skirt with diamonds. Glue the rhinestones on one by one, alternating sizes. First, place them close together, then spread them out to create a pretty gradient. Since the rhinestones are tiny, it's better not to pick them up with your fingers, but use a little brush, a pencil, or a pen instead. Perfect!
Wow, I'm sparkling like a diamond.
Let's make your skirt fuller.
Oh, what is that?
Gather some sheer glittery fabric and glue it onto the skirt. Gorgeous! Now give me your hand. I'll make you a clear sleeve. Stunning!
Wait, what about shoes? I'm totally barefoot.
Here are some pearly ankle boots for you. And we can't forget diamond stud earrings. Now your look is complete.
Snake, you look absolutely incredible. Your dress is sparkling so much, I'm literally mesmerized.
Thanks.
Bravo!
All right, now it's your turn.
So, what are we making?
First, we'll trace the pattern onto the fabric and cut out the pieces for your suit. And these too. Now take a needle and thread and sew everything together. Let's try it on. The base is done. Now let's add some sparkle. Trace the vest pattern onto glitter foam sheet, cut it out, and glue it together with hot glue. Nice! Next up, lapels. Trace the pattern, cover it with glue, and fill it with rhinestones. Cut out the sparkly lapels, attach them to the vest, and add a belt. Decorate the pants with rhinestone strips, add a bow tie, and decorate the sleeves too. And Gary's diamond look is ready.
Snake, where are you?
I'm here.
May I have this dance?
With pleasure. Oh, sorry, I'm terrible at dancing.
That's not true. Hey, look at me. Come on, Snake.
Help me.
All right, I've got an idea. Sweetie,
Leave me alone.
let me teach you how to dance.
Really? Okay, fine.
Easy, don't rush.
I think it's working. Oh, I'm never gonna learn.
You will. Watch me. Do step together steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Yay!
Harry, I'm ready to keep going.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's do it again.
Bravo!
Thanks for the dance lesson.
No problem. But it's time for you to go. Your car is here.
Hop in, Snake. Let's go.
Hi! Let's find out what your style will be.
Finally me.
Fluffy style. Jump into the pipe. This is so cool. Then pink it is. Come over here. Lie down on the fabric so I can make a pattern. I even have a fluffy pen. Let's trace a skirt around Peach. Wait, did she fall asleep? Let's let our princess rest, but on the sofa. Meanwhile, I'll keep going. I'm cutting out the skirt pattern and gluing on the trim. This Barbie pink is my favorite vibe. Let's try it on Peach. Oh, so pretty. The scent of some refreshing tea should help. Yummy. Let's add a fluffy peplum for you. Wow, what a lovely skirt. But I still need a top. We'll make it out of chenille wire. I love it so much. Let's add some puffy pom-pom sleeves and white fluffy gloves. And look what else I have. Whoa, so much jewelry. Let's pick the prettiest gem and decorate your dress with it. We'll also outline the peplum with pom-pom ribbon. It's a sleigh. But I don't know how to dance. I'll teach you. It's not hard at all. Look, you're doing great.
Can I go? Can I?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Cardboard. I love cardboard.
Then jump right in.
In here? Well, okay. Bye-bye. Oh, where have I landed?
Hi, Roselina. You're in Lalalu's workshop.
Hi.
Pick any one of these stars.
Wow.
I want this one.
Yay!
Let's see. Ah, we have a roll of craft paper here.
You're going to make an outfit for me out of this.
Of course. Let's unroll it. Whoa, here are the skirt patterns. But first, we need a bodysuit. Much better. First, we glue one part of the skirt, then the other. We'll make a shaped cutout on the front of the skirt and glue on some corrugated cardboard. Let's add wide sleeves.
Wow.
We'll make cuffs out of corrugated cardboard too. And the top of the dress will be decorated with a stylish cowl neck.
I love it. Oh, but this outfit needs some color.
Perfect. Let's open the second star then. Look, we have 2 markers here. Let's take the blue one and color the collar, cuffs, and the edges of the dress. We'll also draw some big stars. Looks perfect. Let's see what's behind the third star.
There's nothing here. What do we do?
Let's use some Lala magic. We'll decorate your dress with a shiny star.
Oh my.
Wow, now your outfit is complete. A look fit for a real princess.
Can I dance with it? Woohoo! This is so fun.
My turn. Whoa, gold! Just what I wanted.
Your turn to jump.
Woohoo! Oh, oops. Finally, I'm here.
Hi, Daisy.
Hello.
I have a special sketchbook here.
Sounds great. What's inside?
Sketches of evening gowns. You can pick out whichever one you like best.
Whoa, which dress design should I pick? Comment down below. OMG, this dress is absolutely stunning. I want this one, but it has to be gold.
Perfect. I happen to have some gold fabric right here. What do you think?
Great, you get started and I'm gonna go for a ride. Ciao!
All right, while Daisy is off having fun, I'll make her an amazing dress. I'll start with the pattern. I'm folding the fabric in 4, trimming the corners, and making a cut in the middle. Now we have our skirt base.
Cool!
Let's put it on the mannequin for now.
Woohoo!
Oh, wait, I need your help. Let's try on the skirt.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh my.
It fits perfectly. Let's add a top. It looks so fancy. All that's missing are the sleeves. We'll make some voluminous puff sleeves. Just take a strip of fabric, stitch it, and pull the thread tight on both sides. And of course, we'll add some gloves.
Whoa, look at this gorgeous outfit.
That's not all. Let's see what's in this roll. It's rhinestone fabric. I'll cut a shiny peplum and glue it to the dress. I'll also add some cuffs and trim along the bottom of the skirt. For the final touch, I'll decorate the top of the dress with a gemstone flower. Daisy's gold look is complete.
Thank you. I'm totally obsessed.
Now you're ready to go.
Yay, I'm off. See ya. Woohoo! Peach! Hi, Peach!
Hi, Daisy.
It's time for the ball. I can give you a lift. Jump on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's not working. There's just no room here.
Come on, Peach. You can do it.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
But I can't see anything like this.
What are we going to do?
We need some help.
I'm on it. First, we transfer the carriage template onto cardboard and cut it out. Apply some hot glue and cover the carriage with fluffy fabric. This lavender shade is exactly our vibe. We'll cut out the windows and line the inside with pink fabric. Let's trim the fur a bit so the carriage looks neat. Next, we need to make the wheels. Place the cardboard bases on yellow fluffy fabric. Cut them out and cover our wheels. Then we'll make the spokes out of chenille stems and attach the wheels to the carriage. Add some pom-poms on top and voila! The girl's carriage is ready.
Oh, what a luxurious carriage. It's so soft and fluffy.
Oh, Daisy, where'd you go?
Guess I'll have to leave my bike here. We're ready to go. Why are we just standing here?
I don't know.
I don't get it. Maybe we should try pushing it.
Let's try.
I'll take one side, you take the other.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Maybe we should switch places?
All right.
One more time.
It's not moving.
Do you know what's wrong?
Oh, I totally forgot. Lalacadabra.
Ah! Wait for us!
Wait up!
Phew. Thanks for the help.
Have a great time. See you at the ball.
Oh, the location isn't ready yet.
No worries, we'll take care of everything right now. To the workshop. First, take the printouts and cut out lots of mushrooms. Fold the bottom edge and glue them to the sides of our stage. But the stage needs some color too. Let's paint some grass and flowers, like a real meadow. I also have a cool idea. Draw rainbow stripes on some craft paper and cut them with a paper trimmer. Cut each strip in half and glue them into rings. Connect the rings together. Now we have a colorful garland.
Nice.
Let's set up the stage at the location.
Whoa, everything is so bright.
Where should we hang the garland?
I know. Let's hang it between the columns.
Great idea. It looks perfect there.
We're here.
Wow.
Roselina, you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Look at the location I prepared. Oh my gosh, did you guys make all of this?
Woohoo! Totally awesome. What are we doing first?
Time to dance.
This is kind of boring. I have a better idea.
Yes.
Whoa! We had a blast. And now it's time for the awards.
Yay!
This is so thrilling. Wait, where are the crowns?
Oh no, it looks like Bowser stole them all.
What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, I have an idea. We need to make 3 crowns. Let's go with the gold one. Take some metallic cardstock and a pen, then draw some triangles. To make them perfectly even, we can cut a template out of something sturdy and trace it. Cut out the crown and glue the edges. Decorate it with rhinestone ribbon and gemstone flowers. It's so stunning! Now for the fluffy one. For this, we'll need chenille wire. Twist 3 stems together, shape the piece into a crown, and join the ends to make a solid base. Then trim the excess. We'll decorate it with pom-poms, of course. I absolutely adore them! The fluffy crown is ready. Now for the cardboard one. I'm cutting 2 pieces out of corrugated cardboard and gluing them together. I'll add a strip around the circle so the crown holds its shape. Now where's my marker? I'm coloring the crown blue and adding some 3D foam sheet stars. Great, all 3 crowns are ready. Just like how pretty they are. Time to get back to the girls. The ball queen is Daisy! Yay! Daisy is recognized as the most energetic princess.
Thank you so much!
Yay, Daisy! We're so happy for you.
It's a shame we didn't win, though.
Don't be sad, there are awards for you too.
Yay!
Roselina receives the title of the wisest princess.
I'm so happy! Congratulations!
And Peach receives the title of the friendliest princess.
Oh wow, this is so unexpected. Oh, this is the best ball ever.
Whose look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Bye-bye!